So here's the dog, and we've got him out just in front of the house playing with him. And here's the controller. So it's pretty intuitive. You have basic, just four buttons and then 2 joysticks. And then down here you have stand walk. It's also touchscreen sensitive. As you can see right now, the front camera is facing us. And if you run through the control pad here on the left by your thumb, you can run through all the cameras. So left camera, right camera, rear camera, and then front camera. And then right now, if he runs the left joystick in stand mode, that's going to run the, what would you call this, the roll?
Yeah, the roll.
And then left joystick front and back, or forward reverse, that's going to be its height. And then the right joystick in stand mode is going to be, we'll call that yaw maybe?
Yeah.
So a yaw, and then pitch. So you can run the pitch up and then the pitch back down. And using these can kind of give him personality. So make him look like he's wagging his tail or excited to see you. And then we have, if you were to scroll through the stand either by pushing the screen or by pushing the B button, we can get him to sit, self-right, or go into walk mode. Walk mode would be the A button. Oh, right now, okay, so we have him sitting. Sitting is laying all the way down. And if we push it again, he's back up to stand. And then if we go ahead and push the A button, that brings us into walk. And then walk, with the left joystick, is going to push him walking forward, backward, to the left, or to the right. And these are just simple, the 4 simple planes. The right joystick is going to keep him stationary, but going to allow him to spin in place. So he can either spin to the left or spin to the right. And then front and back don't do anything in this mode. And then in the same thing, we have the walk. We can go ahead and hit A again, and that brings us to stair mode. Stair mode doesn't change his stance, but it does allow him to intuitively go up and down stairs. So he's going to change his gait a little bit and then head up the stairs. And then he can back straight back down the stairs, just as he did going up the stairs, no problem. And then the rest of the controls are pretty much, your battery life and your Wi-Fi.